Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use clone explosion effect on Higgsfield AI, and this is what the clone explosion effect looks like. So let's see what they've written. The subject instantly splits into multiple identical versions of that burst outward in all directions. A bold show effects perfect for showcasing speed, chaos, and supernatural duplication. So if you've always wanted to create that Naruto like duplicating or multiplicity effects, this is the best AI for you to use. So what you want to do from here is to go to higgsfield.ai. So this AI website allows you to create the best visually stunning effects on in the market. So all you have to do is to sign in or log in into your account if you already have one. Click on the visual effects and scroll on to the clone explosion. Click on it. You'll be taken to a different page where you would see the various samples that you can choose from if those ones aren't enough. So from this area you can click on generate, and once you click on generate you'll be taken to a page, this particular page, where you can actually upload your image, and then you'd be from this area you can actually this in the prompt section you can describe what you want, and you'd after describing you can click on generate. You can change the model to the ones that will be best for you. Now this is on premium, and this my account is currently not on the premium account, is a free account, so you can change it to this. There are three free accounts here that you can use, three free models rather. Minimax, this minimax, and this I would suggest you use this for longer generations. As you can see, it's 6 to 10 seconds long, but the only downside is that it reduces your quality to 512p. The other one is 2.2, and it gives you 5 seconds of video with 720p resolution, which is higher. But the best ones I like to use is Higgsfield Lights. It gives you 3 to 5 seconds. Most of the time it's 5 seconds with the same high resolution, and this is an example of the video I generated using this particular model. So once you've generated your video, it would appear in this format, in this area here. I've just generated only one, that's why you're seeing one. I can generate multiple and you see them here. So once you're done, you can just click on the download icon here to have them directly downloaded to your system for future use. So let me know what you guys think about it in the video, in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, please do not forget to subscribe, as we're actively trying to grow our channel. If you have any questions as regards this or any other AI platform, let me know in the comment section too. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys.